The biggest breakdown of the movie, some dude who is now 500 years old found out that a bunch of other people got powers by being born in a certain time that he didn't. And then he found out it had to do with the gods, because he was like, it's what the gods. And then he learned that the thing he gave all those things powers could destroy the gods. So he said, you know what, I'm just going to release it and let him